Am I right to think that Maliwanag Mong Mundo is more than just a music video? To me, it feels like a romantic gesture of Wilbert Ross to Bea Binene and a gift to all the fans who have been supporting them. Para siyang pagtatapat at pag-a-announce ng nararamdaman niya kay Bea through the character of Arkin. Kung tama ang basa ko, napaka-clever naman ng strategy ni Wilbert since siya rin yung director ng music video. Gumawa siya ng safe way to show something real without saying it directly to protect their privacy. Na tama lang namang gawin. Before this, Bea released her own soft launch video. Natatandaan niyo yung video nila ni Wilbert na shot from the balcony na malayo. So mag-iisip ka kung nag-holding hands ba sila or nag-abrechete lang. Nung ni-release yun ni Bea, sabi ko, bakit si Wilbert walang paganon? Bakit hindi niya tinatapatan? Yun pala, hinintay niya lang na mag-February 14 kasi mas pasabog pala yung gagawin niya. Parang pinauna niya lang si Bea tapos siya yung tumapos. At ang clever nga kasi dito sa music video, sila ay si Arkin at saka si Via. Their characters in Golden Scenery of Tomorrow. So yun nga, they're saying na we are, but we are not. So parang ano siya, not a confirmation, but also not a denial. Tayo na lang ang magre-read between the lines. At saka ibaback to you natin si Wilbert through his character Arkin. Famous ang line niya na ito na alam kong alam niyo rin. Sa landi nating yun, hindi pa ba nila nahahalata? Anyway, what makes this music video stand out is how natural the actors are. Makakalimutan mong uma-acting lang sila. They feel like a real couple. Ang time lang na uma-acting sila sa akin ay nung intro dun sa music video na sinasabi ni Arkin na pupunta siya sa Spain para puntahan ng kanyang pahinga at saka yung second scene na nakita na ni Via si Arkin sa Spain. Yun lang. Pero the rest, it feels natural, it feels real. At kung umaacti man sila, this is probably the calmest performance I've ever seen ng isang supposed to be couple. Edi sila na, ang galing nilang umarte. Anyway, ang isa pang mapapansin natin dito sa music video ay parang 70 to 80% ng screen time ay kay Via lang. Bea Binene lang. So para siyang tribute kay Via ang pahinga ni Arkin. So the whole mood of the video was reflective, intimate, and romantic. Para na nga siyang prenup video 'di ba? So yes, for me, the music video is also a soft launch, cinematic version. It's heartfelt, unforgettable, and honestly, this is the most romantic music video I've seen lately. May nag-feedback sa akin sa FB na ang defensive daw ni Wilbert nung drop niya yung music video. Hayaan nyo na yun, guys. Baka kasi may masabi siyang hindi dapat sabihin. At kahit naman defensive siya online, he's very expressive through his art. Bea, Wilbert, they are artists. They will reveal more of themselves through their work.